Whether you're a gamer or you sit at your desk all day long editing videos just like me, you might like today's review because today we're going to be reviewing this Devoko ergonomic gaming chair with lumbar support. So let's get it started. And also everything else that I'm using today, from lighting to cameras to microphones, everything else, all that gear is down below too if you want to see what I'm using for today's review. So here we go. So as I mentioned, this is the Devoko ergonomic gaming chair racing style. It has an adjustable height, high back, PC computer chair. You can use it with that. Comes with the headrest, and my favorite part, the lumbar support. And because I'm a dad, I'm getting a little bit older, I need that lumbar support. So that's probably one of my favorite features of this chair. The chair comes in black and red like I got. Also comes in white and black, which that one actually looks really darn cool. And also comes in blue and black. It has 360-degree swivel, so you can just spin around in this bad boy any which way you like, which is, you know, the typical chair, but it's fun.
Are we having fun yet?
Along with that, it comes with mute rolling wheels, so actually it doesn't cause a lot of noise. Can you guys hear that? That's actually pretty darn quiet. But what's nice about that is not only is it mute like rolling wheels, it actually, because the wheels are so nice, it doesn't scratch up your wood floors. Like I'm just sitting on my wood floor right now. No scratches, love that. The chair itself is sitting on a metal frame, a big heavy metal frame. So when you take it out of the box, it's actually decently heavy, which is nice. That means it's made solidly. You don't have to worry about this thing falling over and being made out of plastic and ruining down the line. It means it's gonna last. Of course, you can recline in it, you can lock it. I lock mine into place so I'm not bobbing up and down like a bobblehead while I'm doing the reviews and talking to you guys. That would just look really weird. So I've got it locked into place. And for guys of my girth, as you might say, it can take up to 300 pounds. So you can be 300 pounds and still use this chair. For me, that's a good thing because I'm not 300 pounds, but I got a dad bod, if you might say.
Dad bod.
Oh. As far as all the dimensions and the numbers and stuff, height and all that stuff, I'm just gonna let you kind of take a look at it where it's at with me. I'm 6 foot tall. I actually put the headrest about mid neck here. It actually gives my neck a little bit of support because I don't tilt my head back like that. I'm kind of generally sitting up and typing, so I like that headrest to be a little bit lower, just kind of on my upper neck there. But as far as the dimensions, if you want to see all the true dimensions, I'm just going to leave a link down below to the chair. You guys can click on that, go check out the dimensions so you can see how wide it is, how tall it is, and all that other good stuff. The actual weight of the chair is 45 pounds, easy to move around. I take it around my office all the time. I have it kind of set up for an open area over here so I can move this. Sometimes I like to get up and do a little bit of exercising over there. I'm trying to get rid of the dad bod, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, it is easy to maneuver at 45 pounds. Plus, I mean, really, when are you going to be lifting the chair? It's got wheels. Just roll it.
Oh yeah, that's right. Duh, let's go.
My favorite part of this chair is the lumbar support. Like I mentioned earlier, it is adjustable. You can put that thing high on your back. You can put it low on your back. I have it kind of sit in the crook of that back, you know, on your spine there. We're kind of just always like, oh, you know what I mean? I don't know why I made that noise, but yeah, it's right down there for me. It just gives me that good comfort. It's really, really nice there. But like I said, it's adjustable, easy. The straps, you just slide it up and down, put it where you want. No problem at all. That goes for the headrest as well. Easily adjustable. Now, I'm not sure why they call this a racing chair, a racing gaming chair. I think it's because the way the seat is. There's like a little lip up on the side, and you kind of, your hips and your bum and everything kind of just snug up in there, and you're kind of ready for the race, you know what I mean? Because those racing cars, they're kind of really tight and kind of, you know, you got to get in there. And I think that's why they call it a racing chair. I'm guessing. If I'm wrong, go ahead and put it down in the comments. I love being wrong sometimes, so go ahead and put it down in the comments now. But I think that's why they call it a racing chair. But I actually like that side hug. Kind of keeps me in place here, ready to go. I'm a big guy, like I mentioned, and I typically don't like things up on the side because then it pushes up on my hip and everything. But the side spots here are actually cushioned. They're nice. They're comfortable on my thighs. I was just talking about my thighs. Is that weird?
That's weird.
On the right side of the chair, here's all the levers to get you up and down, tilted, raise up, raise down, all that good stuff. And it does have the safety gas spring, so you're not just falling down to the ground and stuff like that. So that's nice. Let's talk about assembly now. All right, when I got this thing out, it actually only took me about probably 15 to 20 minutes to put it together all by myself. Very easy assembly, no problems at all. So if I can put this thing together, you can put this thing together.
You can do it!
Even though they label this as a gaming chair, I don't use it as a gaming chair. I use it strictly here in my office all the time. This is where I edit all my videos. I record my videos. This is where I work from. This is my workstation, and I use it strictly for that. No gaming at all. Ever since my kid took over my Xbox One, I haven't been able to play because they play all the games all the time, and I have no time to play anyway.
You are one pathetic loser.
Let's talk about pros and cons. Pros, I think I mentioned a lot of the pros there. The lumbar support, the neck support, those are my two favorites. Very, very comfortable. The only con I have for this, I wish the actual seat itself, the bucket seat that I'm sitting in, had just a tiny little bit more cushion. It's not a big deal. I'm typically comfortable, but my problem is I sit for too long. So I'll sit here for sometimes 2 hours without getting up. And I know, don't scold me, that's bad. It's not good for my circulation. I need to be getting up more than that. But at around the 2 hour mark, my booty or my bum or my tush or my popo, whatever you want to call it, starts to get a little bit sore. I just got to get up, stretch, give it a little break, and then we're right back at it. As for features, I'm going to give this a 4 out of 5. It would have got a 5 out of 5. However, the arm rests do not raise up and down. So I'm only going to give this a 4 out of 5 for that reason. Design wise, again, 4 out of 5. I'm going to go 4 out of 5. Same reason being this. The design, if we're designing this, guys, you got to make the elbow rest adjustable, right? Up and down. Some people are taller, some people are shorter. Give me some love there. And for the value, I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. So if you are looking for a comfortable chair at a decent price, links down below, $129. Very good price, very good chair. I think you're gonna like this one. I use it, I'm gonna continue to use it unless somebody decides to just send me some super wazoo amazing chair that I've never seen and whatever. Anyhow, I like the chair. I think it's worth it. 4 out of 5 score from here at Dad's Den. I've got more videos for you guys over here to watch, and please subscribe so you don't miss any more tech reviews right here at Dad's Den.